In this video, we'll talk about the auto sequence control tool. And basically with this tool, it's sort of a turn it on or turn it off, and it enables the software to, automatically choose the best sequence for the shapes that you make. And so why don't I go ahead and just create some ellipse to get started here. So I'll create 1, 2, 3 ellipses, then maybe put a few more down here. And the idea here is that I've created all of these ellipses, and they show up in the order that I created them. So the sequence is the one that I chose. And here now, if I turn on auto sequence control, I can choose to either, and these are sort of strategies of how to arrange my objects. And it's basically nothing simple or advanced. So if I choose a simple, it just allows it to rearrange objects. And if I choose advanced, it'll allow it to rearrange and modify objects. And if I say OK, you can see that it's made some changes to the sewing sequence. And so how that all works, it depends on the optimization strategy. And this is, kind of advanced stuff really, but the idea here is there's a lot of levels of control. And of course, we always have the ability, like I've shown you, to manually change our sequence. But if you want to use the automatic sequence control tools, then you can also look under your tools drop-down menu for your optimizer options. And in this choice here, the optimizer options, there is the optimization strategy. And notice now that the tool is actually turned off, and so I can't change it. But if I go ahead and turn that tool back on and then go back into my tools and optimizer options, notice now that I can select the style of optimization strategy. And so it kind of gives you, left to right, small to large, large to small, inside to outside, or outside to inside. And there's a few others too, top to bottom and bottom to top. So right now it's set sort of large to small. And so that would have been when, given the choice of auto sequence control, the strategy that was applied to these designs. And so it's kind of a special tool that you can use to allow the software to change the sewing sequence of your design automatically.